In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your business address in your account settings. Keeping your address current ensures customers can find you, deliveries arrive on time, and your profile looks professional across your site and any connected services. I'll walk you through each click and share a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes, all without adding extra steps. Start by heading to your account dashboard and opening Settings. You'll usually find Settings as a gear icon or a clearly labeled option in the top navigation or left sidebar. Click it to open the area where you control your account and profile details. Inside Settings, look for the section called Basic Information. This is where the platform stores your core business details like name, contact info, and location. Click Basic Information to open it. If you see multiple tabs or categories, stay within the one that lists your general profile fields. Next, locate the field for business address. It might appear as a single field or as multiple lines, such as street address, city, state or province, postal code, and country. Some platforms label it as location or office address. The idea is the same. If your account manages more than one location, confirm you're viewing the correct profile before making any edits. Now, enter your new address carefully. Type the street address exactly as it appears on official documents, and include unit or suite numbers when applicable. Use standard postal abbreviations to keep things consistent, and double-check the city, state or province, and postal code for accuracy. If the form offers address suggestions or autocomplete, choose the option that matches your exact location to reduce typos. Avoid special characters or emojis that can cause formatting issues, and make sure you're entering a physical address if the platform requires one rather than a P.O. box. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. Watch for a confirmation message or a small success banner. This tells you the update went through. If you don't see a confirmation, scan the form for any red warnings or missing fields and correct them, then try saving again. If the Save button is grayed out, it usually means a required field needs attention. After saving, it can take a moment for your address to appear everywhere, so a quick page refresh is a good double check. That's it. Open Settings, go to Basic Information, find Business Address, enter your new details, and click Save Changes. Thanks for watching, and keep your profile up to date so people can find you without a hitch.